Hello and welcome back to the Broken Doll. Alright, we're coming back with this teeth. The teeth of Shirley Temple here. So, what am I going to use to get these teeth whitened? Okay, they're yellow. So I have a clear thing, I have a clear cup with water in it. And I'm going to use Polydent whitening. That's what I'm going to use. I couldn't find the box. I found it finally, way in the back. I would never found it in time to, I had to move a bunch of stuff because I don't use it a lot. So anyways, we're going to put this in. It says 3 to 5 minutes. Now, dentures are made of plastic and, you know, why not try it? What's the worst that can happen, I guess. So put the Polydent in, let it do its fizzing. Smells good. So it says drop 1 Polydent. Okay. So, it's working right now. I'm going to put these in as it's working. Let's see what happens. Let them in for 3 to 5 minutes, it says. So, there we go. We're just sitting here letting it fizz away. And, let's see what happens. Might come out with 1 tooth. Sorry, Shirley, but this is what you get to eat with. Okay. Well, anyways, I've heard about people using this on the plastic teeth before, and I know I had about a box of them. I have had it there for quite some time, but I thought, hey, they can't go that bad, you know, like, hey, try it. You know, what's the worst that can happen than doing all this painting and everything? So we're going to do this first, see how this works. Still fizzing there, so I don't know how she's doing down in there. Oh well. Yeah, this stuff is still fizzing. 3 to 5 minutes. I got the clock going here. I'm watching the clock, so. Now to get the teeth out, like I said, I just use this just to wedge up those 2 little things, and then we'll just pinch them back down again. So, this is interesting. Interesting stuff, you guys. So, wonder if I should take a look at them and see how they're doing. I can see them here. They're right here. Well, that's the Polydent. Still fizzing there. Where's her teeth? Oh, there her teeth are. Well, they still look kind of, ooh, ooh. Well, no, they still look yellow. We are trying the Polydent experiment here. Yeah. So let's just let them sit. Might even give them an extra minute just to see, you know. So the clock ticks away here. They still look kind of on the yellow side. Hey, you know what? All you can do is try. So I've heard that this stuff could help, you know, so I don't know. It's plastic, dentures. I was putting the 2 together, you know, and I know people have using it for whitening clothes. And I thought, well, maybe I can try it with this. So they'll put some of the Polydent right into for vintage antique clothing because it's a lot milder than using OxyClean and whatnot. OxyClean you got to be very careful with. It's a bleach source, so it's got bleach in it, so you've got to be very careful. It'll eat up antique clothing. As much as they say it's great for antique stuff, you got to be hovering over it and pulling it out. You can't let it sit and soak in it. Because why? I've done that. So you're going to learn from me what to do and what not to do. It will put holes in antique clothing, OxyClean will. Because I thought you could just walk away, but no, you can't. You got to sit over it and hover and know when enough is enough on the antique stuff. So, again, you got to be very careful. But even with something like this, I want to be careful with. But, we'll see. Is that tablet all broken up? Yeah, it's all broken up, the tablet is. Yeah, pieces of it in there. Here's her teeth, too, coming over to me here. See how they look. They're still yellow. That whitening didn't whiten them too much. Nah, I don't know. We'll leave them in there for another minute yet. Then we'll let them soak. So, I'm glad you guys get to experiment this with me. Experience and experiment with me on this. There we go. So, but, yep. It's like the power. Maybe I'll put another one in. Let's put another one in and see how it works. Maybe we need 2 in there. Let's do another one. So we're just letting the clock tick. That thing is just a working away in there. So, I don't know, do they not work as good after a certain expiry date? These expired in 22. But, I don't know. I'm not using them for human consumption here. That's probably what it's for, you know. I'm using it on plastic and things like that. And they also say don't go by expiration dates. It's just a guide. You know, they do have shelf life way past what they say on certain things. I understand that too. But, hey, we're going to try this. They still look just as yellow as ever. I don't see any difference whatsoever on her teeth. Might have to go back to painting them. Let's see. Let's just have to wait it out. And I'm glad you got to see this with me, though. Like I say, it's just... Now, some people... leave them overnight in denture cream too, in denture stuff too, in a glass, you know, like, just to let them really soak. So it's been 3 to 5 minutes on the other one, and we're 2 minutes into this one here. So, interesting, but, okay. Alright, so anyways, if anything, if she's, this thing is still, oh yeah, it's still, this pill in here is still disintegrating, so, but, it's almost gone. But, I'm thinking that this may not be the solution for her, but maybe I was thinking of instant whiting, you know, that was just going to instantly make her white. If anything, it gave her, you know, fresh teeth. So let's take a look at this. I think they're cleaner than what they were. I will give them that. They do look a lot cleaner. She's gonna have a fresh mouth. But yeah, I think looking at this, I may have to paint them. And I'm wondering also if painting from the back will also help bring the white out in them as well. Okay, I'm going to dump this out. Put this over here for just right now. And I'm really thinking I'm going to have to, they're going to have to be painted. I think that's the way we're going to have to go. But I hope you enjoy seeing what I go through just for a doll, you know. Whoops. But, you know, I'm going to have to paint them, I think. And I think I'm going to paint them from back behind as well. Maybe that will help bring the white through. So, I think we'll do that just as well. All right, hang in, everybody. More to come. Thanks for joining me on this. I hope you enjoyed what you've seen. You know, the little things I try to do, you know, but things I hear through the wind. So anyways, I'm coming back with more. Thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.